Hello, thanks for popping in to see my Wendy Journaling Adventures inspired junk journal notebook. It's just a quick flip through of it. I've made it using some beautiful paper from could be Ruby and Pearl, I've forgotten now. Popped a little whale tail on there with a lovely little charm, butterfly charm, and then it's just tied together with some sari silk that I've stitched. The whole journal is stitched all the way around, and that's what obviously keeps the sari silk on there. Going into it, I love this so much. I love the papers in here. So in the front, obviously you've got the other side of the whale tail. This is part of a printable that I just cut down. I really like that. I could see that on its own actually as a journal cover. Just a printable. It's really nice. I've actually put, don't know if it'll pick it up, but there's a printable coffee dye pattern on the back. Little tab here. The actual inspiration for this, I will link the video down below if you wanted to make one for yourself. This pretty much follows Wendy's make. The only difference is hers was for Christmas and mine's obviously shabby chic, floral, botanical, just a lovely, I don't know, for the summer really. So there's a tab there, a piece of 6x6 scrapbook paper that I've actually coffee dyed there, so you can write on all of that. And then this page actually flips out. It's coffee dyed page, flips out, so you've got all that you can write on there. But for a bit of interest, just pop some paper down there. Coffee dyed. Again, this is a tip-in page with some printable coffee dyed paper there, glued onto there, so you can write all on that. But then when you turn it over, it's a really nice page. Even this is nice to write on. Just punch the corners of this coffee dyed page. This is another tipped in page. I just love the images in this book. They're just lovely, vintage, and there. And again, that pulls out, so you've got all that you can write on. And in the middle of this one, I just popped a little pocket. Love that image. This again was just chopped out of some, you see how this is like a collage paper? So for example, that would have been a part on another one, so I'd have just cut it out. Backed it, so it's nice and firm on some craft card, roughed up the edges, and it's just lovely again to write on. It pops in there. Small coffee dye. This is the centre of it. Obviously it's a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Just popped some snippets that I'd made and sewn down the middle there and there. It's a really nice little journal. Lots to write in, but lots of interesting little bits right in there. But then it just looks lovely. I love this. It's like the bottom of a sample of wallpaper. Popped a tag there which sort of doubles up as a kind of tab. Just pop that there for some interest. There's a pocket here. I haven't put anything in that. That's purposeful, so that whoever has the journal can then pop whatever they like in there. Just into there. It's really nice. Obviously I decollaged the edge of that page. Made a pocket here. And in there, I've just popped this other printable, which is really handy. You can write all on the back of there. It's like an old sort of ledger page. Actually, I'm going to pop that way around so you can see. It's just really interesting. Another little part of a similar page, just made as a tab there. Left the page of that. This is a Vanity Fair book. Just left the page edge ripped. Just looks interesting for interest rather than everything straight edges. This is actually some vintage drawer lining paper I've got. I don't know how old it is, but I love it. And I've just used it there as a tip in with a fold. You can write in there, fold it up, and then popped a little notch there and a little part of an invoice that I've just coffee dyed the back of, and that slips in there. When you turn over the page, you can write all on there. Just pop washi tape there. It doesn't serve any function, just a pretty thing to look at. This is the back of the journal. I made a fold there with a notch again. Another piece of one of the collage papers I've got. And again, you can write on that. You could write all in there. You could tuck other things in. So it's just a really nice little, well, I think she did call hers a was it called a journal notebook? Something like that anyway. But I just love everything about this. I love the papers in it. I love the sari silk closure. Love the tab, and it was an absolute joy to make. So I hope you've enjoyed that flip through. It will be listed down below where it's listed for sale, and also if you wanted to make one for yourself, like I said, I will list Wendy's tutorial as well. All right then, thanks for stopping by. Bye bye.